Hello, this is Sammy with bridgingapps.org, and in this video we're going to cover app review. We're going to do a walkthrough of the app review. So I've done a search already for on some apps, and I want to show you one of the apps, Monkey Preschool Lunchbox. So I'm going to click on that, and this will show me the app review of Monkey Preschool Lunchbox. The first thing you're going to see is the app icon. Then here is the app name and the developer name. And next, we have links to both the Android market, if we have it in our database, and the iTunes Store. Now, you'll also see the price. The price in the iTunes Store are localized. This means that you can adjust, if you live in Australia, you can adjust the Insignio tool to say that you live in Australia, and it'll point you to the iTunes Store in Australia, and it will give you the price for this in the Australian currency. We actually connect to all the stores, so this is a preference you can set, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. So links to the market, if there is one, and links to the iTunes Store. The first tab is the screenshots, and you'll see these screenshots scrolling by, and if I want to just click on the next one or previous one, I can just click on it and it'll show it, or I can click on the arrows and you can see that there are 7 of 8 screenshots. So this is nice because we give you all the screenshots in the iTunes database. The next tab you're going to see is any videos. Now these are videos that we add. In this particular case, this is a video of one of our users, Vincent, who happens to love this app. And you can click and play on this, and this is one of our special needs users. The next tab is skills level. Now this has to do with our review system. And these are, for this particular app, it is rated auditory 3 years to 5 years. And this is something now you can search on. So these are all the skills, the key skills. And then the next tab is attributes. So these are all the various attributes, whether it's an embedded skill, an independent trait, what are the iTunes categories. So this is all the metadata around it. Now what's nice about this is I can, if I want to see all, you can notice that there's a hyperlink. If I want to see all finger isolation apps, I can click on this and launch every finger isolation app in our database. So these are hyperlinks. The next one is the actual review conducted by the professional reviewer. Now these are therapists or teachers or special education teachers who do these reviews, and they're also done with special needs users. The next one is the developer description. This comes directly from iTunes. The next tab is the user feedback. This is a place where you can add your feedback. So if I want to vote on this app, I can put this as communication of 3, fine motor, language of 5, cognitive of 3, we'll say maybe 4, social play is probably around a 3, and fun level is very high, and then I can submit my review. So that actually goes into our database, and then I can also leave a comment. My son, Noah, is 4, loves this app, and I can post a comment. These are all searchable by within the tool, so it's very important that if you like an app, that you put some comments. And then we also provide any links we have around it. This can be to the developer's website, to their support site. So this comes from iTunes, or any number of things we can put around here. So this is a quick walkthrough of an app review within the Insignio tool. Thank you.